Hi, we're from Smartpay. We are the first digital embedded finance company in Japan. What does that mean? At the point of purchase, we can give you digital loans. And as of today, we can also do insurance. We've just announced our partnership with the biggest insurance company in the world, Chubb Insurance. So we're the first digital embedded finance. You can pay through your credit card, and we're the only company in Japan where you can pay direct to bank account as well. So we have access through open banking APIs through 20 banks in Japan and 201 credit unions. So we cover 90% of the population. And SAT4 is typically Japanese like to use cash. So we're giving them the option to use digital cash, which is directly from their bank account. I see a massive change in the last 2 years. I see stagnation probably before that and small incremental growth. Last 2 years, complete change. And I think this festival shows that the energy here, you couldn't probably do 4 years ago, but now you can. What's happened in the last 2 years is that the ecosystem now is all open for digital transformation, and nobody knows what that is. So what does that mean? You have to work together. And that's the change where I saw before everyone was worried about competition, so we don't share. Now it's, hang on a minute, we have to learn, so let's share. So I think first of all, you have to be successful in Japan before you do cross-border. So, and I think that that's very important. Western companies often try to treat it like a Singapore, and it's not. So you have to, first of all, have fundamental success here before you do cross-border. Once you do that, there are a lot of companies wanting to get access to get that. What you need to do is be very clear on what your value add to those companies are within the region, and then the process is very smooth from there. I find that when you look at the Japanese regulator, they like to work in steps. So your mindset has to be in steps. If you come in with a Western mindset of here's what I want, and we're going to negotiate to there, you're going to have no success. What you need to do is set out what are the steps, and those steps could take 4 years. Now you have to be willing to invest those 4 years. And so many Western companies get to step 2 years, and then leave. So my advice is it's a 4-year program, set out the steps with the regulator, and then work with them. So the quality of this event has been incredible. The quality of people at this event has shocked me. It's incredibly high level quality people. I'm surprised at the ecosystem that has come out of the work. And everyone is connecting at a really humble level. There's no egos. And I'm so impressed with this event. I think it's the best fintech event I've been to in Japan. I think we should get more in execution. I think what we should do is share execution learning specifically in categories and really talk about sales execution, tech execution, engineering execution, regulatory execution, less philosophical and more execution next year. And I think that will show the maturity of the industry. You find young industry talk philosophy and mature talk execution.